हेलो दोस्तों। इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे डीएवी क्लास 6 साइंस चैप्टर 14 फैब्रिक फ्रॉम फाइबर के क्वेश्चन आंसर। ए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, कॉटन प्लांट्स ग्रो वेल इन डैश सॉइल। आंसर होगा ब्लैक। सेकेंड, कॉटन इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द डैश ऑफ द कॉटन प्लांट कॉल्ड डैश। आंसर होगा फ्रूट्स और बॉल्स। थर्ड, द बॉडी कोट ऑफ sheep इज कॉल्ड द। आंसर होगा फ्लीस। फोर्थ, wool is obtained from the body coat of animals like the dash dash or dash। आंसर होगा camel, sheep और goat। फिफ्थ, jute is obtained from the dash of the jute plant। आंसर होगा bark। B, match the following। फर्स्ट, fibers into threads। C, spinning। सेकेंड, thread into fabric। D, weaving। थर्ड, coloring the fabric। A, dyeing। फोर्थ, making patterns on fabric। E, printing। फिफ्थ, making fabric smooth and shiny। B, finishing। Take the correct option. First, which one of these is not a man-made fiber? C, linen। Second, from the following the only incorrectly matched pair is silk mulberry। Third, the process of pulling and twisting of strands to make a fiber is known as। Answer होगा B, spinning। Fourth, weaving is done by using machines called। Answer होगा C, looms। Fifth, jute and cotton plants grow well respectively in। Answer होगा A, alluvial and black soils। D, answer the following questions in brief। First, how are clothes important to us? Answer, clothes help us to cover our body and protects us from unfavorable climate। Second, define the term natural fibers। Answer, the fibers which are obtained from nature are called natural fibers। Third, give two examples of plant fibers। Answer, cotton and jute are two examples of plant fibers। Fourth, name the kind of soil that is suitable for growing jute plants। Answer, alluvial soil is suitable for growing jute plants। Fifth, where is coir obtained from? Answer, coir is obtained from outer covering of coconut। E, answer the following questions। First, state the conditions that help in growth of cotton plant। Answer, the conditions that help in growth of cotton plant are black soil is necessary for the growth of cotton plant, warm and humid climates having temperature of over 16 degrees Celsius is the most suitable condition for the growth of cotton plant। Second, why do we need to use fresh soil for cultivating jute plant every year? State any three uses of jute। Answer, jute plant uses of the fertility of the soil to a large extent, so we need fresh soil for cultivating jute plant every year। Three uses of jute plant are: jute plants are used for making ropes, they are used for making gunny bags, they are also used for making carpets and mats। Third, give the difference between spinning and weaving। Spinning, it is the process of twisting the raw fibers together to make yarn। Weaving, it is the process of making clothes from yarn। Spinning bee, a simple device for spinning is called charkha। Weaving, a machine for weaving is called loom। Write in correct sequence the names of the steps involved in the production of cloth। Answer, the steps involved in production of cloth are collecting of fiber, spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, finishing, tailoring। Fifth, differentiate between natural and synthetic fibers। State any three advantages of synthetic fibers over natural fibers। Answer, natural fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources like plant and animals. Example, cotton, jute, etc. Synthetic fibers are made from chemicals that are present in factories. Example, nylon and rayon। Three advantages of synthetic fibers over natural fibers are: they are stronger, they are wrinkle free, They are not spoiled by moths.